Berikut grafik 8 negara dengan perkawinan anak perempuan di bawah umur tertinggi, serta grafik perkawinan anak di Indonesia pada tahun 2011 hingga 2021. Good morning everyone, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. First of all, let's ask our thanks for the presence of God who has given a healthy and opportunity for us so we can gather in this room. Secondly, I would like to say thank you for everyone here who has given me time to give a speech so I can stand here in front of you all. The Honorable World Health Organization Director General, Mr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, the Honorable Ministers of Health representing World Health Organization member countries, and as well as all leaders of state institutions. Thus present, the 76th World Health Assembly as the highest decision-making forum in the health sector and global health issues. Child marriage can threaten the lives, well-being, and future of girls around the world. Child marriage refers to a formal marriage or informal union between a girl under the age of 18 and an adult or child of her age. Globally, the practice of child marriage is declining in various countries. In 2018, UNICEF notes that around 21% of young women from the age of 20 to 24 years had married when they were children. According to World Health Organization data, especially in Indonesia, data on early marriage in 2011 until 2020 is more than 120 million cases. This is expected to continue to increase every year, around 14.2 million cases. With the prevention efforts that have been done, there are still cases that occur in several countries. Countries with the highest number of child marriage cases are in South Asian countries, followed by Sub-Saharan Africa. Before the pandemic COVID-19, more than 100 million girls were expected to get married before their 18th birthday. Women who marry under 12 are estimated at 1,220,900. And this number puts Indonesia in the top 10 countries with the highest absolute number of child married in the world. In October 2019, the Indonesia government passed law number 16 of 2019, which was Amendment Law number 1 of 2074 concerning marriage. There are 20 provinces. In Indonesia, the prevalence of child marriage is still above the national average. Provinces with highest prevalence of children has West Sulawesi, Central Sulawesi, and Southeast Sulawesi. With this incident, a combination of several countries has established the SDGs Sustainable Development Programs, which aims to call for global action to end human rights violations by 2030. Child marriage can rob girls of childhood and can threaten their lives and health. Married before the age of 18 are more likely to experience domestic violence and less likely to stay in school. They have poorer economic and health conditions than their unmarried friends. In the future, things like this will be passed on their own children, which further burdens a country's capacity to provide quality health and education services. This practice can also isolate girls from family and friends, which excludes them from participating in their community, which is very detrimental to their physical and psychological well-being. So, UNICEF's response to child marriage is handling. Child marriage requires an introduction to the factors that make it possible. The causes of these problems vary across countries and cultures, like poverty, lack of education, and limited access to health services. Some parents have the perspective that marrying their daughters will reduce the economic burden and also earn a living. And other believes that marrying off their daughter can save their future. In 2020, UNICEF, in collaboration with UNFPA, makes a policy and recommendation to reduce the incidence of child marriage, such as: first, developing community-based integrated child protection. Second, strengthening the 12-year minimum learning program for girls. Third, provision of education and services regarding the right to sexual and reproductive health from an early age. Fourth, quality inclusive health and education services. Fifth, gender equality socialization. Six, encouraging youth participation in prevention and management of child marriage. That is diplomacy speech that I can convey, and I say thank you for the attention of all representatives and participants who attend the 76th World Health Council Assembly session. And as I say, thank you.